You're looking at a home you can actually afford, and then you run the numbers. The payment doesn't work, not even close. So you start asking questions, and someone mentions assumable mortgages, a 2.75% rate locked in from 2021, transferable to you. And the first thing people ask me is, okay, but can I even qualify for this? The answer is yes. And the bar is different than you think. Here's the thing, you still have to qualify. Nobody's handing you a 2.75% loan just because you showed up. But the process runs through the existing loan servicer, not a new lender. That matters more than most people realize. A traditional lender is building a brand new loan file from scratch. The servicer is just reviewing whether you can take over a loan that already exists. Same income check, same debt to income review, but no appraisal in most cases. No appraisal on a $500,000 home. That's one of the biggest costs in a normal transaction, and it's just gone. So, what does qualifying actually look like? They're checking that your income supports the payment, that your debt to income ratio is in range, and that your credit history tells a reasonable story. Not a perfect score, a reasonable story. There's no hard credit score minimum on VA loans. It's the reason behind the number that matters. Now, you're probably thinking, this still sounds complicated, and I won't lie, the process takes 45 to 90 days. The bank adds friction. That's just real. But here's what that rate actually does to your payment. Take a $500,000 home. At 6.5%, you're looking at around $3,200 a month. At 2.75% on the same loan, that payment drops to around $2,100 a month. Over $1,000 a month in your pocket every month. That's a car payment that just disappears. That's a college savings account fully funded every year. Pretty worth the paperwork, right? One buyer I worked with put 5% down, assumed a 2.99% rate, and walked into a payment that would have been impossible at today's rates on a new loan. Same house, same neighborhood, completely different financial picture. That's how this works. You qualify, you close, you get the rate. If you want to see what your numbers look like, find me on Instagram, The Assumable Guy, or head to assumableguy.com. I'll walk you through it.